Today, I'm diving into a topic that could change the way you create content forever: how to craft stunning viral ink stories. Now here's the exciting part. There are no tutorials on YouTube about this topic, and the best part? You won't have to spend a single penny like you would with those other so-called gurus. You're getting exclusive insights that you won't find anywhere else. And just to give you a taste of what you'll be able to create by the end of this video, let's play it.
Ayan's voice breaks the silence. Wait for me! He races toward the hill where his best friend Rafi used to fly kites. But today, Rafi isn't there. He hasn't been for days. Ayan sits alone, staring at the sky as the wind picks up. Memories flash, laughter racing with kites, the promise to always be together. Suddenly, Ayan's kite is yanked from his hands, spiraling into the air. He gasps, seeing another kite tugging alongside it, Rafi's favorite one. Ayan stands in awe, his heart pounding. The wind whispers, and he knows somehow Rafi kept his promise.
Go grab this opportunity. Trust me, skipping any part of this video could lead to disappointing results. So be sure to stick around until the end for a special bonus on how to check if your YouTube account is shadow banned. You won't want to miss it. If you already have a story in mind, that's awesome. If not, don't worry, just ask ChatGPT or any chatbot you prefer to help you come up with a short story. Here's a generic prompt that you can refer to and modify for genre, tone, description, theme, setting, etc. This prompt, along with other tools, can be accessed via the document link provided in the description. My story revolves around the friendship between two friends, so I modified the generic prompt to suit my needs. As you can see, it has generated the story for me. Once you have your story, it's time to visualize it. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts for ink-style images that represent different scenes from your narrative. Next, open your favorite image generator. I will be using Leonardo AI. Please refer to the link in the description. Click on the image creation. I will be using the default Leonardo Phoenix style while keeping all other options set to default. The next step is to switch to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. I will paste the same content into Leonardo and click on Generate. This will produce 4 images in just a few seconds. I will repeat this process for the entire script. Ensure that you download all the images generated for each prompt. By default, 4 images are created for each prompt. Select the ones you like. Now, let's move on to making a video. Choose a video generator that supports keyframes like Luma AI, Runway ML, or Kling AI. For this example, I'll be using Luma AI. Start by selecting a blank image as your first frame, and your first generated image as the last frame. I'll provide a specific prompt in the description to help you set this up, so don't worry about it. Your clip should look something like this. Repeat this process for each of your images, always starting with a blank image and ending with the generated one. Ensure you give this your full attention. Next, head over to 11 Labs. You can find the link in the description. Feel free to check out this video for free voiceover options that are eligible for monetization. After login, click on text-to-speech. Copy and paste the text of your story. Choose a voice that fits your narrative. I will go with Famous Adam and generate the voiceover. Download the audio file. For the finishing touch, once all your clips are ready, import them into your preferred video editing software. I will be using CapCut. Let's arrange them in sequence. Now it's time to add the voiceover, to drag it onto the timeline. As an optional step, you can enhance your video by adding background music from YouTube Studio. Click on the audio library and select Inspirational as the mood. I will download the first track because I like it. Drag the music into the timeline and remove the portion of the music not required. Now here's a challenge for you. I want you to create your own ink story using the techniques I've shared today. Post it on social media and tag me. I'll feature my favorites in my next video. Let's see your creativity shine. Now that you're equipped with the tools to create stunning ink stories, let's talk about something that could be affecting your visibility on YouTube shadow banning. Head over to this website. In this case, I will be using my channel link. And as you can see, it clearly suggests there are no restrictions. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.